Imagine your body is a city that never sleeps. During the day, every email, notification, and rush hour is perceived by your brain as a life-threatening situation. Stress is not just a feeling, it is a biological alarm that keeps your body in emergency mode. While you are in this survival mode, your body stops repairing itself. For decades, science couldn't explain why we spend 1/3 of our lives unconscious and vulnerable. But evolution wouldn't allow this unless the benefit was massive. Your brain needs to recharge, but more importantly, it needs to clean. In 2012, researchers discovered a secret plumbing network called the Glymphatic System. Your brain doesn't have a traditional lymphatic system like the rest of your body. Instead, it has a nightly wash cycle. Think of your brain cells as sponges. During the day, they are swollen and tight, leaving no room for cleaning. But when you enter deep sleep, these cells shrink by up to 60%. This creates gaps that allow cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, to rush in and flush out metabolic waste. The primary target of this nightly wash is a protein called beta amyloid. This is the gunk or clutter linked to Alzheimer's disease and permanent memory loss. When you are awake, your neurons are firing constantly, creating this toxic byproduct. If the kitchen never stops cooking and never cleans the floor, eventually the kitchen shuts down. Chronic stress interrupts this cleaning because high cortisol keeps you alert even when you are exhausted. This makes your sleep shallow, like a phone on 10% battery that never fully charges. Before we move to how stress physically changes your face, I have a question for you. Have you ever felt that brain fog after a night of 8-hour sleep, but you still felt like you hadn't slept a single minute? Write yes in the comments if you know this feeling. It is a clear sign your nightly wash was interrupted. If you find this medical analysis helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We are building a library of the medical files to help you master your biology. Stress doesn't just happen in your head, it reaches your chromosomes. Chronic stress shortens telomeres, the protective tips of your DNA, causing cells to die earlier. It also breaks down collagen, making your skin thin and creating stress lines and dark circles. Your face starts telling the story your body is living. When the brain's cleaning cycle is cut short, you experience memory problems and a decrease in the size of the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for learning. Can this be reversed? Yes, but not with quick fixes. The body has a powerful repair system that restarts when stress levels drop. To optimize your brainwash, you must signal safety to your nervous system. Sleep position. Research shows that the glymphatic system works most efficiently when you sleep on your side. Temperature. Your brain needs to cool down to enter deep sleep. Aim for 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit in your bedroom. The 3-hour rule. Avoid food 3 hours before bed, so your body focuses on brain repair, not digestion. Breathing. Use the 4-6 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds, to manually turn off the stress alarm. Morning light. 10 minutes of morning sunlight resets your body clock and prepares you for better sleep. When your body feels safe, it stops aging in survival mode, and every day you start to slow down the clock. Let's talk about what happens after just one night without sleep. After 24 hours awake, your brain shows changes similar to a brain that is 8 to 10 years older. Reaction time drops, memory formation collapses. Decision-making becomes emotional, not rational. Brain scans show reduced activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic, self-control, and focus. At the same time, the amygdala, the fear and emotion center, becomes overactive. This is why one sleepless night makes you more anxious, more impulsive, and less able to think clearly. In medical terms, sleep deprivation temporarily ages your brain, not metaphorically, biologically. And the most dangerous part? You don't feel how impaired you actually are. Your brain loses the ability to accurately judge its own performance. That's why people who are sleep deprived often say, "I'm fine," but the brain data says otherwise. Here's the part most people don't know. You cannot fully catch up on lost sleep. Sleep debt accumulates silently, night after night. Each missed cleaning cycle leaves behind microscopic damage. More beta amyloid, more inflammation, less neural plasticity. Over time, this increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease, depression and anxiety disorders, obesity and insulin resistance, cardiovascular disease, premature aging of the brain. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is active brain maintenance. Skipping it is like never changing the oil in your car and being surprised when the engine fails. The brain was never designed to run without nightly repair, and the moment you protect your sleep, you are not being lazy. You are practicing preventive medicine.